Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to use CSS in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to use CSS, I need to log into my computer or to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on this website button below your desired website. Now go to Pages. Click on the page you want to edit the CSS for. Let's work on this appointments copy page. Click on this little gear icon and go to Advanced and paste your CSS in this page header code injection. This is a piece of CSS code I have on my computer. This works in order to hide the header section of a page. Add it just like that and hit save. As you can see, the header section was deleted from my page. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is the first way to add CSS to your Squarespace website. Another way that you can add or use custom CSS is to, instead of going to pages, or go to pages and scroll down to website tools, click on custom CSS and paste your custom CSS here. And this is how to use CSS in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.